Yokia githi muroko mode wa Shineko TV hoine wa umuthi ni mihoko wakwa ati ni watire thau ngakihoka harwa gitiro gicina nyoka yaku no akorwo ukigwatira kindu hoine uyu wa umuthi ngakihoka are mwatire na ona are mwacemani na umuthi ni makorwo muri na muthenya mwagiru muno ndoka nigetha ngoro ngitora nawe thini wa ithaa rimwe ni ari mathaa maria ngoro gicemania nawe o muthenya wona cigira thaa 11 na muthenya umuthi tukorwo twina wakili tukiri Megii horo maundu ma kihiko na muno ti maundu ma kihiko maundu ma muturire thini wa katiba itu na ni tukorwo tugitauko makiria maundu Megii watho tondu mothe mari thini wa katiba itu na ni gukorwo gitwira by the way ndoigire ati katiba ni iracenjio tumenye murugamo wake ni uriku na gikora gitutara makiria na koguo na kiru igothe thimu itu the Megii 0721890311 horo wigi watho na muthe muthe ko tukendora Megii succession leo igwa mundu ni megukora magitiganira kana ni gukora gitigiro indo kana mundu fulani ni andikithitio kindu handu maundu maya mothe tumenye kiwatho undu ucio urakorwo ukiuga ati koguo gai kunyitwo geni ndoko kenyeganya na metambo itikira gutora na ithue mbere da reke nyambe anyite wakili ugeni korata wakili
Nikwega muno kahura
gakena muno no gukuna muthenya ungi
ona ndakena muno ni gukuna yes
na ngai kuhoka ukigithia mwiroreri ni gatuko tukambita tabarira ya hwaini wa umuthi
asante we mwega mwiroreri wa Gikuyu TV tagwo Nyambura KIRIO ndi wakili na umuthi ndugukorwo tukiaria maingi makuhutania na watho tukigeria guthomithia muingi wa Kenya mawatho maria tuhuthagira so ni maingi koguo turikaga hanini tukione kana ni tugugithoma
thima watho tumome katiba-ini itu
na mangi maingi
ndio na wataka katiba ndona wandu andarigo kana ndahitie
Asa katiba ni ta mwiri wa mundu ni uri spinal cord no ndukina mahindi mangi maigi na ruwe rokata mutuhutie tunapo kuingira ho wigi succession tondu by the way ndocio no akihutitie there is ihiko na bado no rakihutitie undura uhanikite thini wa bururi wa Kenya no tamba ukinya hau uguo nituraiguire he governor ni araugire ati ni akuruta listi kahura kiurenda turuwe
Jori atiriri kiwatho mwana wanja ne mu recognize
succession act section 26 wiri mwenye da guthomera directly ni gondo kwenye ndiro igire succession act section ni 20 ke 29 edifine dependence mundu akua ri andu aria matigwo thutha wake ri mataragwo nia acio nio metagwo dependence na ina category ithatu yukaga atiriri the wife or wives ni twigire kwihiko ciagirirwo gukorwo na mutumia makiria ya umwe iria tutaga customary marriages nirikana or former wife mundu mutumia wari nake mbere yo na ringi ni mwari na indo nake or wives and the children of the deceased whether or not maintained by the deceased immediately prior to his death koguo na mwana wa mutigaire kana mutigaire ni aramuroraga hindi yo agikua kana mbere yo yo ni category ya mbere such of the deceased parents hau ni waciari mokagira ona aciari matinoka hare ha mbere tonyo na aciari makenda guka raini ya mbere parents step parents grandparents grandchildren step children ona step children nao ni marehaga thina na nona kuria mari children whom the deceased had taken into his family as his own nona kwi andu ringi urehaga magaikara gwaku tari ciana ciaku nona ni ma consider go ni watho brothers and sisters and half brothers and sisters Kahura kiurandorogo as were being maintained by the deceased immediately prior to his death. Okorwo ni amumaintainaga atanakua no igwe mundu ni akuire na waiguaga ni ari wanyu riu uke utengerete macira mau nimo matumite igoti ritu rikorwo rihuritwo ni macira maingi muno ma succession. But ne Catholic category ya mwisho where the deceased was a woman, her husband, if was being maintained by her immediately prior to the date of her death. So nakorwo ni mutumia mundu wa mbere ni muthuri wake angikorwo ni maraikaranagia kana ra moment inaga tanakua. So maundu mau gavana araririe ri nona ni hakiri na mwana a child whether or not maintained by the deceased immediately prior to his death. Koguo ni agirirwo gukorwo akiga indo ciao cia baba wao.
Aiyo. Koguo gavana ndatuhukitwo
kutsikia hau kahura
ne utuko no kwari miari ingi muha
ande
ne utuko no kwari mutu
acha ndigwiciria kiwatho ri ndigwiciria nararirie miari ingi muha maybe no hari andu marakionire ta thio uru but you know at times you tell the truth ndigwiciria merenda kwaria ma Lukura kimakani aramiugeire hari gwiciria hau.
Okay.
But you see now it's the truth. Kogo ndora tutingigicenjia. Yes.
Na no atorni akiugire ati aikone we handu hena mubunge ne murikana mutumire mbica na kiria. Uko gwiciria no ukirumirira. Atumiro mbica na ritwa na kana mau mangiatigirwo. Tekane ho Sonko Rescue Team yukira.
Ndigwa nasari wa Sonko Rescue Team kugo ndiramenya rescue yawe kinyaga. Anyway, let's not joke about it.
Yeah, true. Na turi hau we maundu maria meyumirite niga tukorwo tugitaukirwo kiwatho horo wa governor turaiguire taru nari governor wa kuria mwana wa Samburu heitu atwirirwo na tugira kigwa ne affect governor wa Kiambu na kigwa maundu magitaurwo differently ta tuheke watho niga tutaukirwo tuhingure maitho tumenya atiriri governor wa Kiambu no governor kana ne etagwata muhiano nigwa hari igwa ate nduri na powers kana no wikarie giti kuga ndari office maundu mu marathi ate by the way to nyu murakimagariura.
You see what happens Kahura bia cia muingi ni njuru no ngikuruhanio na kuya bia cia muingi ni kuoneka nduri na wigiririki kuligana muingi uria unetwo utungatire but gutwika we accused ni uregweterwo ni woete bia cia muingi ringi no urugamio wira niguo thuthuria wikwo kana niguo uhote gucira kuligana evidence iria aria marathuthuritie marona no magucharge na mahitia mau menacio so tugiuga already you're charged in court now your office ni rona tugika wega so probably that is what is happening but tugithie tuthuthuria no hote ku explain hiciti cia muingi ni cia darutete donete dekite that's why I have this ABCD then do you have a reason for you to take me to court so I think difference irokira hau you understand so twaguthuthuria ri turakwira mutumia wakwe na mbeca ici mwana wakwe na mbeca ici Kiambu koroneka kurite mbeca ici tutriga we muici turiga tiriri you're an accused person na tuna evidence no against you let's prosecute you for that no yathira mwena wa prosecution ri yathira mwena wa DPP mwena wa Haji ni godaigwa ndomaki witnesses za Haji mathirari ni ukoro igoti ni rigatua kanire ona wina cira wa gucokia angikoro ritino na wina cira wa gucokia ri we free ucokie ukeke ugorekaga riona wina cira wa gucokia ri nawe wete witnesses aku mutumia waku ne gukoiga atiriri mbeca ici ri as much as i account ni yakwa ri ndekite ABCD EFGH kiona mbeca ici mwana waku egukuige nihuraga biashara na ndoya naya na ici nicio invoices na ici nicio shekiria ndanariho, that's why I have this amount in my account. Koguo nawe ukorwo na chance yako ya gwitetera. You understand? So ge watho nonekaga tari kindu kiuru but I don't think it's that bad. Yes.
Na Jori
gotwaro igoti-ini ti kuga wi muici. That's why we say the accused person. Accused kuga not the condemned person. The accused person. Yes.
Riu koguo Jori koguo ti governor.
Tutigiuga uguo tutikina governor ungi. You understand? No, you go suspend. Ona we suspend kwa Gikuyu TV. Does it mean you're not a journalist? Tuge wina contract ya miaka 5 Gikuyu TV. Niguo. Ni kwagia na mahitia kwa Gikuyu. No wa suspend ni kurekwa investigations. Does it mean KAHURA is not a journalist?
I'm still a journalist.
All right.
Na odoyo munini wake mwana kire horo yikuyukia ofisi kiwatho mena hinya.
Yeah, I think that the katiba you gaga atiriri ugichanjwo ri assistant waku nwe utuikaga acting na garatwiro governor. Eti okurugamirira no ku act. Meaning we have a governor, he's just acting in the position as governor sorts out his few issues here and there. Agithia korwo itituti guilty re. Will you prevent him from going back to the office? Yes.
Koguo we no ndori gutondo we arataurwo akauga ni no ni governor mahinya mothe onenda gucenira tathi ni gucenira farafara tondo undu ucio ndukira office-ini ngakiona atiriri kana office ya governor kinyumba tu riu irataurwo tari kinyumba tari ta nyumba tu na to nginya ndenire mathi mauku kana to nginya
risi KAHURA tukuheana example nawe wina office ya Gikuyu TV.
True.
Niguo he maundu maria wikaga wi Gikuyu TV. Na tondu wi wa Gikuyu TV no njite tuke interview na hau fara tondu wi wa Gikuyu TV na tuke ne ya Gikuyu TV. So there are things you have to do within the office. You see, the office is bigger than the person.
Okay.
Because oima miaka ya governor oyo ya thirari toto gukigia governor ongi. Does it mean the office died no le wali hobere? The office is bigger than
the person.
Yes. And that's why we have an acting person in the office. Because even him agithieke mahitia nitukumweheria nyingi twethe ungi acting. You understand? Because the office is bigger than the person. The person is not the office. The person is the governor. The office is the office of the governor. For example, we've had so many presidents in this country. Does the office of the president change?
No.
Who changes?
The person.
President, the person. So, powers ya executive ikoragwo inconsistent. We woka no wasikoraga ukaheo privilege ya gukorwo ni warasi administer. When your duration ends, do the powers die? No. Na kama hinya ma executive mathiraga hinya wa president ni thiraga koguo ucio niwe ukaga agathie gugo konge either ahuthire hinya ucio wega kana uru tuge wathani wake ni mwega kana ni muru kuringana uri arahuthira powers irie nacio. So the same case will apply to all the governors. You see, governors the office of the governor is too new. Kushia ni hindi turathi term ya keri, ni hindi tukugira term ya gatatu. So, I think tuti turamenyera Kiambu tukoretwo na governors eritu. Probably with time tukageragia gutara governor remana korwo Kiambu ogo nitugugi sustain the system iyo. Ona ndukaririkana kakabogwari no wari governor wa mbere. Honorable Mr. Kabogo. Ni mwaka uriko. But does the office die?
No.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay, no to tutiramenya no ya no ateti. Na ru maratuhiurio. tukaigua nie ona oka ngari no ngucainire ona weka atia ona tucemani handu fulani riu twakiriu atiriri tondu mundu akiuga I'm the governor and I have all the executive powers riu kakiriu atiriri ika mundu maturatahurirwo atia. What does that mean by the way? Hiria ekuyumire kuga I'm the governor na ari ne marekire mahitia tondu nie wa mbere okintoi maundu makuruto kana ukorwo tutari governor. One, unless you die. Two, unless buge county kiate gikurute. Three, unless no giturwo kana wohwo ukorwo we jera makiria mwaka omwe. No ikorwo ina cira makiria mwaka omwe.
Then the county matikire na buge yao.
Aya no ikorwo ina cira you still.
You see, there needs to come up someone in the Senate to in the assembly ya county government ukirehe motion ya weherio kana wage kweherio but no muhaka gikorwe na reasons jiganu and we are saying tukirora katiba wega ri tukirora county government ri kuma section 176 ya katiba gaitu ri removal of a county governor 181 tugimithoma ri gushira hau niho tungi you know at times ado mendete ku guess yet we have a written law the easiest kahura ni gucoka watho-ini ukuiga atiriri watho ri uroigo u then we check whether are we within the law so can we check 181 we see ithiwiri tungika atia governor ri eheragio ri you understand kahura tondu riu tukutinda tuki if we politicize it then we are not following the law which will be so wrong for all of us tukuhenania to mislead ando tuke maundu tutangihota ku later on ku defend okay county governor ri akoragwo acaguritwo ni voters niguo na eligibility yake yothe koragwo ihanitwo section 180 181 ikoiga atiriri a county governor may be removed from office on any of the following grounds. One, gross violation of the constitution or any other law. In this case it's any other law which is misappropriation of public funds. No anyita so where there are serious reasons for believing that the county governor has committed a crime under national or international law, abuse of office of gross misconduct or physical or mental incapacity, governor with mental incapacity to perform the functions of the county government, the parliament shall enact registration providing for the procedure of removal of a county governor on any of the grounds mentioned in clause 1. So, okoronia kweherio ni. It's the parliament to enact a registration. Ya kuonania uria aikuruto. Wanyita. Kogo motion hiyo already gukimove wa bunge ni MP ya Kiambu magiona governor. Nyahititie muno. You understand? And probably that is what is making the governor say, I'm still the governor. Taumatike na registration muri murarehe ya kuonania uria gwikwa atia.
Akuruto.
Exactly. Dugusire hau niho turathie tuka
okay.
And you see now, what I to you the office of the county governor shall become vacant if the holder of the office dies. Naka gikwete. Aya, resigns in writing. Naka resignate. Addressed to the speaker of the county assembly. That is it. Ceases to be eligible to be elected county governor under section 182. 182 ni ria yugaga ati niguo twike mundu ngithurwo ri you must be eligible for election as a member of the county assembly. No muhaka ngikorwo ono ngithurwo county assembly no muhaka ngikorwo no uthurike ta kanjura itio maikaraga county assembly nio twitaga MCA thiko ici sorry ni kometa go matitagwo go thiko ici metagwo
MCA tugarigwa githurwo gia kuhiriria
Ate?
Regacoka githurano gia kuhiriria.
Rere ko kanjura. Niguo tumenye ka MCA.
MCA.
Deistra meta kanjura.
Daisi we, prohetio meta kanjura. Othuka muno. Ukoro kanjura mathire.
Next thing is convicted of an offense punishable by imprisonment for at least 12 months. So, ungikorwo rihia riu uranyitirwo no woho makiria ma mieri 12 ri, then giti kiu ni gigutuika vacant. You understand? So, no tukira rire charge sheet ya waitu tutone atiriri arero agi convict or na no da convicted or still an accused person. So dogemoheria ogwo, he's an accused person, he's not convicted. Yet the law is saying is convicted of an offense. So ni atwirirwo ni ritwa kwona mahitia mau na twakutwira kifungo kia miaka 12. Is removed from the office under this constitution. So ohareto gucokete uria ngiruto. So naga ikira roho. So that's why we have an acting governor, because we have a governor. He's only suspended. Ni turi watho ugaga ugikorwo you holding a public office and then you accused in a criminal issue. Then you hold down, you step down. Yes.
Okay. Ngora twamba tuikerie icio tunithire tondu na maundu maria makwa makihanika kamara tuingira horo wigie ugai na tukao tukimenya horo wa section niki horo wa wili niki no twamba turore maundu maria muno makuhiriirie matu-ini ma Wanjiku ihinde-ini riri na tutagukwa atiriri ki watho tondu riu turathikiriria uyu agatwira uyu tugathikiriria uyu agatwira uyu na tondu we wakindukire na in interest thini wa politics utwerete atiriri ki watho ni haturaigua uria gutagirirwo no utwerete maundu makiria na gito tuhigie tutabarino ne ya Ugii na Umenyo. Reka tobe tutangere matukaini. Gatho cia mwanya muno muroko mwana guthina mbere ka mitambo-ini tukoba guikeria tugicokereria tuko tugithii na mbere na tabarira ya hoini o muthi na tukoba kuhinyia maria matukuhiririe muno na nigetha tuko tukihoro igi succession ukorothereirwo ni maundu mau uraigua na guku kaigua no na tondu wakiria kire haha ndeka tutumire ndagika yake tumenye muno makene tutauko makitagwo murio wa Wangui na Kahura tethino tabarira ngino menyo ndukakunyega mitambo turacokereria.